Hey guys, right, we haven't actually met the crew yet, so as you know I showed you in the first vlog, this is Zach, right, and this is Brian. Josh can't be here today, he can't get in, so we'll have to show you him another time with us. So yeah.
Today guys, basically what we're going to do is I'm going to swing as hard and fast as I can on the swing, and these two knobs are going to run out in front of me.
Hopefully he lands on us to see how far we can fly, guys. Let's do this.
Now. What was that, man?
You don't kick my ass.